Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Fisherman's Misery. A moral story: hard work is always appreciated. A poor fisherman lived on the bank of a river. He would spend the whole day catching fish. He would then go to the market and sell them. For the last 2 weeks, the fisherman had not caught even a single fish. Since he could not sell any fish at the market, he had no money to buy food. His family had been hungry for days. The fisherman went to the river one morning and decided, "I have to catch a fish today, for, if I don't, my family will go hungry again." The day went by and there were no fish in sight. Eventually, the tired and hungry fisherman fell asleep on his boat. He woke up in the evening when a woman called out to him. It was the sea goddess. "Brother, I am pleased with your faith. Take these gold coins and live a happy life with your family." The sea goddess handed him a bag and disappeared.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.